If OBS Studio keeps stopping your recording randomly, crashing mid-session, or failing to save your file, don't worry, this is a very common issue, and it's usually caused by just a few simple settings. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to fix OBS Studio stopping your recording, and by the end, your recording should run smoothly without unexpected interruptions. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last step is especially important if OBS is crashing completely. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical OBS tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to check is your disk space. OBS will immediately stop recording if the drive you're saving to runs out of space. To fix this, open OBS, go to Settings, then click on Output, and switch to the Recording tab. Look at your recording path and see which drive your videos are being saved to. Then open File Explorer and check how much free space that drive has. If it's nearly full, either delete unnecessary files to free up space or change the recording path to a different drive with more available storage. This alone fixes the problem for many users. Next, let's talk about recording format. If you're recording in MP4, this could be the reason your files become corrupted when OBS stops unexpectedly. MP4 does not recover properly if OBS crashes. Instead, go to Settings, Output, Recording, and change the recording format from MP4 to MKV or FLV. These formats are much safer because if OBS crashes, the file will still be saved and recoverable. If you absolutely need MP4, you can always remix the recording afterward by going to File and selecting Remix Recordings inside OBS. This gives you the safety of MKV with the compatibility of MP4. Now let's reduce the load on your system. OBS may stop recording if your CPU or GPU is overloaded. Go to Settings, then Output, and under Recording, look at your encoder. If you're using a software encoder like X264, your CPU is doing all the work. Switch the encoder to hardware, such as NVENC for NVIDIA graphics cards or AMF for AMD cards. This moves the encoding workload from your CPU to your GPU and can dramatically improve stability. While you're here, also check your bitrate. If it's set extremely high, lower it to something more reasonable for your resolution. For example, 1080p recordings usually work well between 15,000 and 25,000 kbps, depending on your setup. Lowering the bitrate reduces system strain and prevents encoder overload errors. Another quick but powerful fix is running OBS as administrator. Sometimes OBS stops recording because it doesn't have enough system priority or permission to access resources. Close OBS completely. Then right-click the OBS shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives OBS higher priority access to your system's CPU, GPU, and disk usage. If this fixes the issue, you can permanently set it by right-clicking the shortcut, going to Properties, Compatibility, and checking Run this program as an administrator. If OBS is still stopping, we need to check the log files. OBS actually tells you exactly what went wrong. Open OBS, click on Help, then Log Files, and select View Current Log. If OBS crashed previously, you can also choose Upload Last Log File. Look through the log for specific errors, like encoder overloaded, disk full, or device disconnected. These messages point directly to the root cause. For example, an encoder overloaded message confirms your system settings are too high, while a disk write error usually means storage speed or space is the issue. In most cases, fixing disk space, switching to MKV, lowering encoder load, or running OBS as administrator completely resolves recording interruptions. OBS is very stable when configured properly, so once these settings are optimized, you shouldn't see random stops anymore. And that's how you fix OBS Studio stopping your recording. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more OBS Studio guides, streaming tips, and recording tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.